Welcome to UNI. You're here for orientation, you're getting started, and we're ready for you. Some of the things that you need to think about is how you can take advantage of your time here at UNI, because your education is a big investment. So I've got 5 things for you to keep in mind. Number 1, get involved in a student organization. There are many student organizations across this campus. Look at leadership opportunities. Look at participation opportunities. I can tell you that our organizations win local, state, regional, and national competitions. They will make sure that you really use your business knowledge. Number 2, make plans to study abroad. It is very important that you put yourself in a situation that's a little bit different than everyday life here at UNI. And we have many opportunities, short-term, long-term, but the biggest thing is we provide money. Yes, we provide scholarship money so you can study abroad. Take advantage. Number 3, think about earning a professional credential. If you're thinking about accounting, it'd be the CPA. Are you in finance? It's CFA, CFP, lots of little acronyms there. But the most important thing is you set yourself apart from other people who are graduating with business degrees across the United States. Number 4, think about starting your own company. Yes, you can be your own boss. We have a lot of opportunities here on campus so that you can learn about entrepreneurship. You can learn about small business management. You can own your own business. So when you graduate, you're not working for somebody else. You're working for yourself. And number 5, stay connected. Stay connected with UNI Business. Why? You're now part of the family. Join us. Stay connected with us. Learn about what's going on. You're going to be one of those people that we are talking about. Stay connected through Instagram, through Twitter, through Facebook with UNI Business. Stay connected with me through Twitter and through LinkedIn. I want to hear from you, and I want to see your success as you're here. You're one of the family. Make the most of it.